Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a fly. It's going to look like this. So first we'll do a line and go up and do a zigzag line, and then do a tinier one and a zigzag line and another one, and then a big head, and then two round eyes, and then some lines, and then some lines the other way, and then draw this big bump, and then we can start drawing the legs. Go out like this, and go here, and go here, and the same on the other side. And then we can do different legs like this, and then straight, and then like this, and then on the other side. Then we can draw the middle legs. So let's go here in the middle, and then go a little out, then start tilting, and then do another one. And we did 1, 2, 3, 4, and same on the other side. Then we can draw the wings. So we'll go like this, come back in, and go in, and then do the other one. And then we can draw this shape, and then do some lines on it. And then do some lines like this. Then we can do the details on the wings. So we can do one straight line and then go there. And some more straight lines and keep connecting. And go straight every time and keep on connecting. Go high or low, no problem. And then we can add our shadow here. The same copy of what is down. And then we can do a shadow here, so it looks like it's standing on our paper. And it looks 3D already. And we can keep on going. Let's do them for the wings too. And then we can start coloring it. So we can use our black.